Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use filters and effects in VN Video Editor for stunning visuals. So if you want to make your video stand out with amazing filters and effects, you can use VN Video Editor, and I'll show you how you can use them to create cinematic, eye-catching visual effortlessly. So first, let's just start by clicking on the plus icon and tap on new project. Choose the video base for editing and just choose your videos that you want to edit. Okay, so here I'm going to choose few videos to edit. Let's choose, for example, 4 videos. You can tap on next after that. Okay, so once your video is open, you can just adjust the durations to how you like it. If you want to, you can trim and also adjust the durations and delete the part that you don't need. Okay, now first let's apply filters to enhance the color and mood. You can just find the filter options in here at the bottom. You can just swipe. Sorry, it's this one right here. Filter. Tap on it and then choose the one that you think fits into your videos. You can choose based on the category. There's this aesthetic, create, vivid, essence, lune, mood, polaroid, season, films, and everything. Let's try the mood options in here. Okay, I'm going to use this one. You can adjust the intensity by swiping the slider to the left or right. I'm going to just go with 55. You can click on apply to all if you have more than one videos like I do here. Okay, once the effects is done, you can now add a video effects for dynamic and creative edits. You can tap on effects in here at the bottom and then choose the one that you want. Let's go with okay, I'm going to just go with blur, I think. Here you can see there are lots of options that you can choose. Okay, I'm going to just go with this one for the opening. You can adjust the duration. And here you can click on the effects to adjust the intensity. Click on check icon. Okay, so this is just for the opening, so it will be short. You can also add effects for another videos by clicking on a video and go to effects again, and you can choose a different video for the next one. So let's say I'm going to just go with the rotation. Here I'm going to go with spin in, duration again, and tap on a check icon. So this is the result with the effects. So guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.